Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Gvm-sd600s is probably one of the most versatile and powerful lighting solutions available for content creators today, offering a remarkable blend of brightness, color accuracy, and user-friendly features that can elevate your video production quality significantly. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this light aims to provide the illumination you need to make your subjects pop and your scenes look cinematic, all within a relatively compact and manageable package. Number 5. Gvm 2-Pack LED Video Lighting Kit with App Control. Introducing the Gvm LED Video Lighting Kit, your ultimate solution for professional lighting. This upgraded kit offers advanced features for stunning visual results. Take full control with our intuitive app. Easily adjust the color temperature from 2300K to 6800K and brightness from 10% to 100% with the digital display. Experience superior lighting with 480 high-quality LEDs, ensuring exceptional color accuracy with CRI 97+ and TLCI 97+. Its durable aluminum alloy housing ensures efficient heat dissipation for longevity. Power your creativity with flexible options. Use the included AC adapter or opt for F9 7750 batteries for on-the-go shooting. This kit includes everything you need: 2 LED panels, light stands, power adapters, and barn doors, all neatly packed in a protective hard case. Enjoy peace of mind with our 180-day warranty and dedicated US-based support. What we like. This lighting kit offers versatile bicolor temperature control via an app, perfect for adjusting your lighting on the fly. If you're a YouTuber or photographer who needs to quickly adapt to different shooting environments or moods, this is an excellent choice. Its high CRI ensures accurate color reproduction, making your content look professional and true to life. What people say. The Gvm-sd600s has a built-in battery that lasts for 2 hours at full brightness, which is very convenient for on-the-go shooting. The light features 8 special effect modes, including lightning, police car, ambulance, fireworks, SOS, party, flashing, and explosion, adding a creative touch to your videos. With a high CRI of 97+, the Gvm-sd600s provides accurate color reproduction, ensuring your footage looks natural and professional. Number 4. Gvm Great Video Maker LED Ring Light. Experience lighting with a wide dimming range, perfect for capturing natural skin tones. It makes your portraits look more attractive and realistic. This device features high-quality LED beads for bright illumination and a lightweight design for outdoor shoots. It also acts as a handheld grip stabilizer for your phone. Included are white and orange diffusers made from high-quality plastic. These ensure a steady color temperature to enhance your photos. Power your setup using either a DC adapter or a Sony F550 battery. This offers flexibility for any shooting situation. Connect your phone via Bluetooth and use the integrated button to take photos. It's a convenient way to capture hands-free shots. What we like. This is a unique ring light that doubles as a handheld stabilizer, ideal for mobile content creators. If you're looking for a compact and versatile setup for vlogging, selfies, or on-the-go interviews, this product excels. The integrated Bluetooth function for taking photos adds an extra layer of convenience for solo creators. What people say. The Gvm-sd600s has a built-in battery that lasts for 2 hours at full brightness, which is very convenient for on-the-go shooting. The light is very bright and has a wide color temperature range, allowing for great flexibility in different shooting scenarios. The build quality is solid and the included accessories are useful, making it a great value for the price. Number 3. Gvm Foldable Softbox Diffuser with Grid Beehive. This softbox is designed to be compact, allowing it to better mimic natural light. This helps to reduce harsh shadows on your subject. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply unfold the softbox and attach it securely to your LED light using the integrated fixing strap. It stays put without any hassle. It's incredibly versatile, making it perfect for a wide range of uses. Whether you're shooting portraits, creating video blogs, or capturing product shots, it delivers excellent results. The design includes a closing seal and a black rim for easy installation and removal. This effectively prevents any unwanted light leakage, ensuring a clean and controlled light. Equipped with grids, this accessory helps you precisely control light spill. It allows you to tighten the coverage area for more focused lighting. This is an excellent addition for both studio setups and on-location shoots. It's designed to enhance your lighting for various photography and videography needs. What we like. This accessory is designed to soften and control light, creating a more flattering and professional look for your subjects. If you already own compatible GVM LED lights and want to improve the quality of your portrait or video lighting by reducing harsh shadows, this is a must-have. It's perfect for studio setups where precise light shaping is crucial. What people say. The Gvm-sd600s has a built-in battery with a capacity of 2000 mAh, which can last for about 2 hours at full power. It features a high-quality LED chip that provides a CRI of 97+, ensuring accurate color reproduction. The light comes with a diffusion cloth and a honeycomb grid, offering versatile lighting control. Number 2. Gvm-1500d RGB LED Video Light Kit. Experience professional level brightness with this powerful 75W light, featuring 1128 premium LED beads. It delivers exceptional illumination and true-to-life color rendering, perfect for all your creative projects. Built with advanced technology, it's designed for long-lasting performance. Effortlessly adjust settings like color temperature and brightness using the intuitive LCD display or the GVM app via Bluetooth. This makes quick, wireless lighting adjustments simple, whether you're working alone or with a team. Bring your creative vision to life with 18 built-in lighting scene modes. These effects are designed to enhance your video shooting and content production, ensuring stable, flicker-free output for cinematic results. Simplify your workflow by connecting multiple lights together. Set one as the master to synchronize all settings instantly, or control them all simultaneously through the app for a time-saving setup. Enjoy flexibility with dual power options. It can be powered by the included AC adapter or by using compatible Li-ion batteries for portable shooting. This makes it perfect for both studio sessions and on-location shoots. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, this LED panel offers excellent durability and heat dissipation. The complete kit includes everything you need to shape and soften light, plus a carrying bag for easy transport. What we like. This RGB LED video light offers extensive creative possibilities with its wide range of colors and dynamic scene effects. If you're a filmmaker or content creator who needs to add dramatic flair or specific moods to your shots, this light is incredibly powerful. The master-slave control also makes it easy to build complex lighting setups for professional studio work. What people say. The Gvm-sd600s features a built-in battery with a 2-hour runtime at full brightness, eliminating the need for external power sources during shoots. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it incredibly portable and easy to set up, perfect for on-the-go photographers and videographers. The light offers a wide color temperature range from 2500K to 8500K, allowing for precise adjustments to match ambient lighting conditions or creative intent. Number 1. GVM 2-pack NP-F750 replacement batteries and chargers. Never miss a moment with this powerful duo. Two 4400 mAh batteries mean double the shooting time for your camera, keeping the fun going longer. Experience extended use thanks to the high-capacity 4400 mAh Li-ion batteries. They are built with premium cells for a longer lifespan. Keep your power ready with the included dual chargers. You can charge both batteries simultaneously and independently from any USB power source. These batteries are designed for a wide range of devices. They are compatible with NP-F750-770 batteries and many other models, including various Sony series and LED lights. Your safety and your devices are protected. These batteries and chargers come with CU, FCC, and RoHS certifications, ensuring protection against overcharging, overcurrent, and short circuits. What we like. This is a practical accessory for anyone using GVM LED lights or cameras that take NP-F series batteries. If you frequently shoot for extended periods or in locations without easy access to power outlets, having multiple charged batteries is essential. This kit ensures you can keep your gear running longer, minimizing downtime and maximizing your creative output. What people say. The Gvm-sd600s is a professional LED video light with a high CRI of 97+, ensuring accurate color reproduction. It features a wide color temperature range from 2500K to 8500K, allowing for versatile lighting setups. The light comes with a built-in 2.4G wireless remote control, enabling easy adjustments from a distance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.